A truck hauls a car cross country. The truck's mass is 4 times 10 to the power of 3 kilograms, and the car's mass is 1.6 times 10 to the power of 3 kilograms. If the force of propulsion resulting from the truck's turning wheels is 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4 newtons, then determine the acceleration of the car or the truck and the force at which the truck pulls upon the car. Assume negligible air resistance forces. This is a simple problem. F net is equal to MA. We know that one. F net is given to us as the propulsion force of propulsion, 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4 newtons. That is equal to what is the total mass? Because the truck is pulling the car, so both the masses are moving with the same acceleration. So we have to take the total mass of the system times acceleration. From this, we can find out the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to 4.46 meters per second square. Now we have to find out the force of pull. How much force is applied by the truck on the car to pull. So that is F pull is equal to MA. This is simple as that is he's asking us to find out the contact force. That's all. So the mass of the car is 1.6 times 10 to the power of 3 kilograms, and then acceleration is 4.46 meters per second square. So we get F pull is equal to 7,143 newtons. Simple. That's all. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.